Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can create velocity editing on TikTok. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my TikTok application on my mobile phone, and then I'm going to upload my video to TikTok. So I'm going to click on this plus icon and I'm going to go to my gallery. Okay, I'm going to go to the video section and I'm going to select a video from this download folder. Okay, for example, I'm going to choose this video guys. I'm going to create velocity editing using this video and I'm going to click on next. And we're going to go to the TikTok editing section by clicking on this icon, or you can swipe up your video like this and you will be able to go to the video editing tools on TikTok. Okay, if you want to add velocity or if you want to create velocity editing, we don't need to create it manually guys, but we can apply the velocity effect on TikTok. You're going to go to the magic and then select the video effect and you can click on velocity. You just need to click on velocity and then the velocity editing will be created automatically. And here you will be able to access other video effects for your video. And don't forget to add music to your audio guys, because the velocity editing needs audio. And as you can see, I have added the audio and this is the final result. Okay, you can also get other effect in the video effect right here. You can select the camera zoom, face tracking, and also speed zoom. Okay, I'm just going to select this one to show you the effect. You can also try this one to create the velocity. It's like a zoom velocity, I guess. Okay. That's so cool, right? We just need to apply the effect to create velocity editing. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create velocity editing on TikTok. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video guys.